What is going on, guys? Welcome to a new PHP tutorial. In this PHP tutorial, we are going to see what is function in PHP. So in PHP, we have two types of functions. We have one we call predefined functions, and we have the other we call user-defined functions. So what is predefined function and what is user-defined functions? So predefined functions are this type of functions which comes with PHP, and whenever PHP sees them, it knows very well that these are mine, so I know what to do with them. And this type of function called user-defined function are this type of functions that you have to create by yourself and customize them any way you want them to be. Right? So in this tutorial, I am going to focus on this we call predefined function, and PHP has really much functions built in it. So, but today I'm just going to show you a couple of functions which works with string, right? So let's start by just print a string on a screen and say like, okay, let me say like I love sandwich. Alright, now let me like I love PHP. Alright, so after printing this, okay, let's go and see what we have so far. We have I love PHP on the screen. Alright, so after seeing this string, let me show the first function which works with string in PHP. I'm going to start with this one called strlen. Alright, this strlen stands for string length. So what it does is it will go ahead and count how many characters we have into this string called I love PHP. So let's just save it and go and come here and refresh it, and we will see we count 10. Why do we count 10? We have to just come here, and from here my pointer is we count like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see? We are counting 10 because it's the number of characters we have in our string, as we can see into our Firefox browser. Right? So, and after this one called string length, the second one I'm going to show you is this one called string underscore world underscore count. Right? So this one, what it does is, it will come here and count how many words do we have in this string called I love PHP. How many do you think we have? I can see we have 3. We have 1, and we have 2, and we have 3. So let's just save it and go back into our browser and refresh it. We have 3 words in this string called I love PHP. Alright? So this is the second one, and let me show you the third one. I'm going to show you this one called strlen. So what does this one mean? This one means, if I can separate them, I have string and I have reverse. So it's a string reverse. So what it does is it will come in this string and it will start to read it from here, from the opposite side. It will start reading from here, and it ends up here. Alright, so let's just save it and go into our browser and see. You see, it's like a PHP evil I don't know what does it mean. Alright, so this is another one, and let me show you another one which works with strings. There is a lot of them. So any function that you want to use, Google it and find if PHP has created it already, and if it has not, you have to create it by yourself. But let me show you another one. Let me show you this one called strpose. Alright, so what does this mean? Let's separate them. You will see we have string position. So what it does is you just come into this string and find one word. Where does it located? Alright, let me go ahead. So what we do is we come here. As you can see, it will take 2 parameters. One is an entire string, and another one is the word you want to start. Let me say like, where is, so by writing like this, we are telling PHP like, okay, PHP, where is the word love needs string called I love PHP. Where is it? So go ahead in this string called I love PHP and find this word called love and tell me where does it start from. Right? So if we come here and we will select it start from 2. Right? So we see that it starts from 2. Let's go ahead and change this one to I. You will find it starts from 0. You see? It starts from 0. And let's go ahead and change this one with PHP. It starts from 7. Right? So this is what we call predefined function in PHP. So this function, we have not created this function. It already came with PHP. Whenever PHP sees it, it knows like, okay, they are telling me to find the position of a string. So that's what we call predefined function. And in a coming couple of tutorial, we are going to speak about this one we call user-defined function. Right? So I hope you enjoyed it. That's it for today. See you next tutorial.